In case your iPhone is stuck on white screen and you want to fix it without spending much of a time, but when there is no way around to bring the device back to normal, then you should definitely make use of FixGo software by iToolLab. And talking about the software itself, the FixGo is the most reliable and effective tool that has been built to fix more than 200 plus various iPhone, iPad, and even Apple TV system related problems easily and quickly. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you install and run the software, that's how the homepage will look like, really very neat. Next up, go ahead by connecting your device to Mac so that the software recognizes it. In the course of video, I'll show how to fix the issue using two ways. What's really good about the software is that it features one-click enter and exit from recovery mode. And to bring the device into recovery mode, for that I'll click enter recovery mode option. And that's it. After some time, tap exit recovery mode. And doing that will restart the connected device and eventually bring it back to life. In case the previous way didn't work for you, not to worry, you can click on standard mode to get started. The standard mode is capable of fixing most common iOS issues without any sort of data loss. And before the next step, make sure that the device is in recovery mode and you can absolutely make use of the enter recovery mode option for it. Click fix now to get started. In this step, the FixGo software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Next up, click Fix Now to initiate the process of verification and unpacking of the firmware. In a matter of something around 10 minutes, the process of repair will be completed and the connected device will restart. So that's how you can get rid of the glitch of iPhone stuck on white screen without actually losing any sort of data. In case the standard mode fails to fix the issue, the software also features advanced mode that is capable to fix serious software related problems in minutes, but will completely factory reset your device. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to visit our official iToolLab website and download the FixGo software. And if you found the video useful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful videos. See you in the next one.